This could be your best night. Get you home for the night and do it just right. This could be your best night. Get you home for the night and do it just right.
What's up YouTube, it's your girl Taniya, and today I'm back with another video. But before this video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. And as y'all can see, I'm getting my hair done because I go to New York tomorrow. So yeah, Tree doing my hair as usual. Period. And yeah, bald head scallywag. Yeah, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. These, where did I get these from? I got these off of some little site. My mama got these for me. And they always be running like little seals. Let me show you how I'm gonna do my hair. I'm trying something different. How long you gonna be in New York? For 4 days. Take out the glass for a second. Look at that one. I like that one.
Oh, that one is cute too. Go back on Pinterest. Yeah, just stay on Pinterest.
That's what I need to be doing. I don't never do that. I need to start doing that.
Unless you post, you'll get rid of it.
Right. I feel like, yeah, my hair video, then my get ready with me. Yeah. Tomorrow. It's gonna be that tomorrow. I'm supposed to my note. We can post it today. I'm gonna post my get ready with me tonight. So I leave them all. Y'all, I am now I'm in freaking Jigs because I gotta give me a freaking, what the fuck? $19 fucking dollars. What? I don't know if I really want the jacket. I need to clean my camera out. Hold up. Y'all, my outfit, I gotta get one of these hats. I really like the black one though. But the black one, I need that brown one. Let me see the match. I gotta see if it's gonna match. It's not gonna match. I don't know, it might though. It might on some shit. I really should have just ordered it because if I would have ordered it, it would have been cheaper. I'm being a cheapskate. I don't want to spend $20 on my motherfucking car lot. The fuck? I don't. Oh my god, they got the jumpsuits and everything, y'all. This fucking car right here. Yo, all this shit like $19. What the fuck? It's like, girl, quit being cheap. I'm trying to see. Or is the beanie like doing too much? I feel like the beanie. So let me show you my fit so far. That's the fit. That's the fit right there. I'm just trying to see like would the beanie really be doing too much? And I'm really into this because my hair done, so I think I'm doing some shit. What's up, y'all? So I'm in Ulta. I'm trying on. I don't want the little stick. I want the big stick. Is it? Oh, it's like a brush. I want like a fucking. I also need to give me some. Let me get the fuck up out of here, child. I'm not shit. This is really where all my money goes to. Here. That's what all of it goes to. You too. It's what all of it goes to. And I just went to Ulta. I'm gonna go back to the car. I'm gonna order me some motherfucking fucking my brain just farted, y'all. I'm gonna order me some damn I forgot. Wendy's. That's what I'm gonna order. I'm gonna order me some Wendy's because I'm hungry. And Wendy's, I'm gonna get my bang for my buck. I might spend like $11, so what? But it's gonna be worth it. It's definitely gonna be worth it. I stay jaywalking, but I don't give a fuck. I was walking in front of cars. When I was just in the car, this lady was backing up. Bitch, why would you back out and you see I'm coming? Slow your happy ass down. Then she gonna try to look in her motherfucking rearview mirror like, bitch, I don't give a fuck. Bitch, if you would've hit motherfucking Bessie, bitch, I would've got out there and popped on your ass. Oh! No, seriously. So, I'm about to go back to the house and order my Wingstop. I mean, not my Wingstop. I'm sick of Wingstop. I really want to go up to my job, but I don't know. I don't want them to ask me to come in. So, I don't think I'm going to go into there.
Shine.